Best Chicken Fajita Rice Recipe, restaurant-style one-pot meal. Bring the flavors of your favorite restaurant to your home with this delicious and easy-to-make chicken fajita rice recipe. Packed with seasoned chicken, sautéed bell peppers, onions, and flavorful rice, this one-pot dish is a perfect meal for family dinners or entertaining guests. Follow these simple steps to create a mouth-watering dish that's sure to impress. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, sliced into thin strips, 1 cup long-grain rice, 1 bell pepper, sliced, any color, 1 onion, sliced, 1 tablespoon fajita seasoning or taco seasoning, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 can diced tomatoes, optional, 1 lime for garnish, fresh cilantro for garnish, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the chicken. In a large pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chicken strips and season with salt, pepper, and fajita seasoning. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Remove from the pan and set aside. Sauté the vegetables. In the same pan, add the sliced bell peppers and onions. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Cook the rice. Add the rice to the pan with the vegetables and stir to coat it in the oil and seasonings. Pour in the chicken broth and diced tomatoes if using. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let simmer for 15 to 18 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Combine and serve. Once the rice is done, return the cooked chicken to the pan and mix everything together. Garnish with freshly chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime.